Thrilled to have delivered my session. From scripts to self-healing tests, AI's impact on the evolution of test automation frameworks at the Next Generation Testing Conference 2025 hosted by Navigo Seminars. In this talk, I spoke about a reality every QA team knows too well. Automation was meant to give us stability, but instead we ended up spending endless hours fixing brittle scripts, flaky locators, and unpredictable test failures. The promise of automation often collapsed under the weight of maintenance. But things are changing. AI is redefining what test automation means. Our scripts are no longer just a set of instructions, they are becoming intelligent systems that understand UI changes, adapt to evolving applications, and even self-heal without human intervention. Instead of breaking when a button label changes or a developer shifts an element in the DOM, AI-powered engines now detect patterns, compare attributes, analyze neighbors, and automatically identify the correct element. The result? Fewer flaky tests, reduced maintenance, more stable CI/CD pipelines, faster releases, and most importantly, happier QA teams. I also spoke about how QA roles are evolving. Self-healing doesn't replace testers, it frees them. It shifts their focus from fighting broken scripts to driving quality, strategy, exploration, and innovation. The future of QA isn't about writing more scripts. It's about building systems that learn, adapt, and get smarter with every release cycle. Grateful to the Navigo Seminars team, organizers, and the incredibly engaging audience. Excited to see how the QA community embraces this next wave of intelligent automation.